Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Julie and today I'm going to be showing you how to layer trim hair. Okay, so first you're going to want to get a comb and just comb your hair back. If you have glasses, then you might want to remove them because in order to get all the hair. So you're just going to want to get like a strand of hair, pull it forward, and cut off about however much you want. I'm going to be cutting about this much off. Okay. And then just keep that hair forward and grab another piece of hair. And you just keep cutting. Okay, and I'm halfway done. When I'm halfway done, I just wind my hair up into a little blob on my head. And put a hair tie in there. Alright. And then I just keep going. Just use a mirror. Now my hair's a little bit lopsided. Let's see. And then I just pull that around my little bun and grab another section from the back. Your sections can be however big you want them to be. Alright, now I have all of this side. So what I'm gonna do is just wrap it around and put in a bigger head bun. And this hair is decided to get ratty again, so I'm just gonna brush it a little. Alright, and here we go. ends. Alright guys, so that is how you layer trim your hair. This is how it looks. And as a bonus, I'm gonna cut myself bangs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and comment below if you want me to do any other types of videos, and peace out.